All right, we're walking into this shrine here. We got the sea coming in, and it's going to go around. Since we couldn't go up to the top of the mountain because the second gondola thing was very windy, so they shut it down and sent everybody back down and gave our guy a refund. And so we came up here and to this temple, a little bit nicer, pointed with red stuff in here. But other than that, it's pretty much barren. You know, there's no furniture, stuff. I guess, you know, when you have a meeting, you bring mats, and that's what you do. All right. At least the rain kind of stopped, and we're in an overhang here anyhow. So, but still humid. I'm a humid sweat ball and rain ball. All right. Bye. Hello. Hello. Now this one has all these plaques along here with I don't know what, but stuff written, and they kind of go all the way along there, so we're going to walk along here. All right. This is the main shrine here. They have stuff over there, offerings.
Always money first. When you make a wish, maybe you can see what they are going to make rain.
Well, I think the rain stopped, and hope this battery holds out. I don't want to change it right now, but everybody's lined up to get their picture taken over here. And there's the Torii Gate out there in the water that you can see out there. So everybody's getting up close. Kayakers are out there, but yeah, it's right out there. There you go. The rain stopped, but still ominous clouds up above there. So yeah, come around here, turn around, see the rest of it here. There's a little wedding party back there. A couple of monuments, the big temple here where we made a wish, and the rest of the wedding party over there. Looks like they're having their snacks and getting some blessings or something. I don't know. Oh, looks interesting though. Oh wow. Like he's gonna make pray down there or something. Very nice. Got the fancy flip-flops on with the special socks. They have that indentation for the toe there. This is getting their wedding photos taken. A bad day for it here, you know, not a sunny day, and it's a shame to have the beautiful costumes and not to get wet. It's not raining too much now, it's just a few drops coming down, but they got the umbrellas out there. So I wish them lots of luck on their wedding. They'll look like a nice couple. All right. Yeah, this is all sake. Sake barrels here. Yeah, look at this. All local Hiroshima sake here. Boy, yeah. Some big barrels here. Okay.
Ship has dynamic positioning.
What?
It's not anchored.
Right.
So they just push a button
And it locks it. I was wondering why I could hear the wakes there.
Yeah, so this morning when there was some rumbling, they were trying to figure out which way to put it as they came in. There was a little bit of swell in the wind. So he spun it one way, and then he spun it another way, and then he spun it a third way. So it was like rumbling, and then it was heavy bow thruster, because I'm all the way in the bow, so I can hear it.
It's right there.
And, yeah. So, but then he figured out the third one worked well. But then since then they've actually changed, because we were not sitting like this before. But this is the stern thruster, so it's azipods instead of a propeller. They can spin 360, and the ship just sits here. So they just pick however they want to do it and push a button and it sits. And as the wind turns, they can just turn the ship back. It's amazing. It's so great.
It's like I was wondering. I thought maybe